About this item: fully functioning, brand new and durable replacement remote control, works out of packaging, well responsive to every key press, ensuring the projector operates as expected without any hassle. A perfect replacement to your old or lost remote control, less cost with solid quality and better usage experience. Requires 2 AAA batteries, not included, for use with BenQ MH530, MH630, MH680, MS3081 Plus, MS504, MS504A, MS506, MS507H, MS511H, MS512H, MS514H, MS517, MS517F, MS517H, MS521, MS521P, MS524, MS524A, MS524E, MS527, MS527E, MS616ST, MS619ST, MW519, MW523, MW526, MW526A, MW526E, MW526H, MW529, MW529E, MW571.